every once in a while somebody likes to do something that's completely unorthodox, and he's going to be probably sorry that he ever read it in front of people. But I'm going to do it. And this is the first time anybody has ever heard this poem, called Eschatology Report on Faulty Plumbing. Oh, I don't know if I have the nerve to do this. I got this inspiration from my own apartment. Oh, how many times I've watched that counterclockwise eddy, dizzying and swallowing my yesterday's remains. Round and round they circle, inching closer to the hole, and I hope they all make it before the eddy wanes. I keep my fingers crossed because my yesterday's dessert is that torpid, trailing straggler struggling to join the rush. Aha! I made it just in time! Uh-oh! I spoke too soon. Because here she bobs back up again. Damn, another flush.